The maintenance required soon message on your 2010 to 2021 Toyota 4Runner indicates that the oil life monitor has been triggered. This system estimates oil degradation based on factors like mileage and driving conditions. To reset it, ensure the vehicle is in the on position, engine off. Cycle through the trip meters using the trip or auto trip button until the oil life indicator or maint QD message appears. Hold the trip button, turn the ignition to the start position, again without fully starting the engine. Release and turn off the ignition. Restart the engine to confirm the reset. This should clear the message, but be sure to verify an oil change has been performed before performing the reset. Always reset the oil life monitor after changing your oil to prevent potential engine damage. While the system estimates oil life, Toyota recommends oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and oil type. For the 2010-2021 models, the reset is still manual, without app integration. Some owners use OBD2 scanners to verify or automate the reset process. If the message persists after resetting, consider using genuine Toyota filters. Ignoring the oil life monitor can increase maintenance costs. If problems continue, contact a certified Toyota technician.